Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, to me, this looks so overlapping and so corrective that I think that it is going to go down again. I still think this is possibly the end of the pullback rate here, and then this is potentially like a WXYXZ pattern on the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame. You can see it is definitely 33333, just like you would expect with the WXYXZ. So if it does, make a double top or a little bit of a lower high and break to the downside on shorter time frames, we definitely want to start getting bearish because it may end up turning down very, very strong. Now, so far, there's no signs of the turn down, so technically we should still be bullish. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying yesterday, if we get a break of structure to the downside, which right now my most recent structure is here, so if it goes down and breaks that with momentum, that is what's going to tell me that this pullback is complete, and that's what's going to turn me into a seller again at the end of the pullbacks after the break of structure. But like I said, there's no reason to think that it is going down yet. If we think it's going down, we're just speculating, we're just guessing. There's definitely no proof of it going down yet. It possibly could go down, break this little mini structure, and then just make a higher low and just keep on going up. So technically, based on the daily, we should be looking for longs unless we get that significant break to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.